Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and the exact server address. This matters because Anyconnect installs kernel drivers. Once done, run the installer and accept network extension prompts so the client can create secure tunnels. Make sure your credentials and any 2FA device are ready. You will need them immediately. If prompted, allow the client to update its modules. That ensures compatibility with the corporate gateway. Now open Anyconnect and paste the server address into the connection field. You will be prompted to authenticate. Type your username and password, then complete the 2FA challenge to prove identity. Once connected, confirm you're on the right VPN profile because profiles control routes and access. Next, open Preferences to enable auto-reconnect and choose split tunnel behavior if your organization allows it. This affects what traffic flows through the tunnel and why performance differs. Make sure DNS and proxy settings match IT guidance. Improper DNS causes name resolution failures even when the tunnel is up. You finish by confirming the connection. Look for the connected icon, note the assigned IP, and verify routes so you know what's tunneled. Then test access to an internal site or shared drive to verify full functionality. If something fails, restart the Anyconnect client and try again because many transient issues clear on reconnect. If problems persist, open the Anyconnect log, copy any error codes, and contact IT. Sharing the log speedily helps them pinpoint certificate, routing, or authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.